Hey guys! Today's episode of Learn English Through Cooking, we are going to be making a parfait! It is a very healthy and delicious way to start off my morning. I love parfaits! Today's keywords are scoop, layer, sprinkle. Listen to these words throughout the video. The first ingredient we use is yogurt. We are using clover vanilla yogurt. We start by putting a couple of scoops of yogurt into the glass to form the first layer.
We scooped out the yogurt and added the first layer.
Our next ingredient is cereal. We are using Kellogg's All Brand Buds. First, we have to sprinkle the All Brand Buds into the glass to create the second layer of the parfait. We sprinkled the cereal onto the parfait. The next ingredient we're using is blueberries. We're using 365 brand organic frozen blueberries. This is a popular grocery brand in America. First, we have to scoop out some blueberries and put a layer onto the parfait. Now, we repeat the process.
We're gonna add some more scoops of yogurt into the cups. Continue with another layer of cereal. Another layer of blueberries is needed to finish the dish. You can add pineapples on the dish as the final layer to add some acidity and extra sweetness. If you don't like pineapple, you can sprinkle some chia seeds for extra nutrition and crunch. After sprinkling the chia seeds, you have all the layers to your parfait done, and it's ready to eat. Enjoy!
We scooped out the yogurt and added the first layer. We scooped out the yogurt and added the first layer. We sprinkled the cereal onto the parfait. We sprinkled the cereal onto the parfait.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.